Are we weirdos? Can we be obsessive, fanatical, extreme? Okay, maybe just a little. But maybe you have to be crazy to want to spend every day beaten and muddy and sore. And for what? Why do we do it? Well, we're not out here flipping tires to be better tire flippers. We're doing it to be better, period. Better leaders, better parents, better, stronger, more determined humans, capable of anything. To honor our bodies and sharpen our minds. To be more human.
By analyzing this video, one can clearly see that the speaker is Reebok. The advertisement was played in the Super Bowl, which is one of the most popular events between the Americans and can also be considered worldwide. All those millions of people watching the Super Bowl in the TV intervals would also be watching this propaganda. In this specific propaganda, they're targeting for a broader audience because, as you can normally see, sport advertisement tends to be directly for sporty people by encouraging competitiveness or etc. Here, instead, it's encouraging anyone who wants to improve their career, job, or role in life. Through the Greek's point of view, it can be said that ethos, which means credibility, is not something Reebok is specifically aiming for. They already have popularity and reliability in the audience that they have gained throughout many years. The last one between the Greeks is pathos, which means emotions. It becomes one of Reebok's focus points in this advertisement. As one sees so much energy and happiness, it creates this subconscious in people's minds, which makes you want to be like them and have happiness and energy like them. When it comes to logos, which means logic, it starts off with people persevering to do more exercise and surpass their physical limits. It then translates to another setting of each people's individual job in their life, explaining why they do this, to become a better fireman, parent, professor, worker, etc. It creates logic sense in the people towards the reason why one would do exercise. This might be considered a fallacy, the fact that to do a better role in your life you need to do exercise, but it still attracts audience. Certain people might detect exaggeration in the advertisement. It might seem to them that Reebok is exaggerating the sense that all people do this much exercise, but even though some people might not believe that, it still creates an idea in them to be part of that sporty community. The propaganda ends by stating "be more human" in big bold letters in order to create an impact in the people's mind and an image that they won't forget, remembering it all day long. The message behind this advertisement and the big bold letters of "be more human" is to do more exercise, to work hard, to exceed your limits, to become better in that something that you do and be better at something. To them, be more human means always trying to overachieve. There's a fallacy in this, because to be more human might not mean the same thing to everyone. How can one be more human? Most people might interpret that we already are humans, but the propaganda is telling that to be human is to exceed your limits and persevere. Again, even though some people might not believe this, most of them might still be attracted to the idea of an overachieving lifestyle. You might wonder where Reebok is selling their products here. The propaganda doesn't directly promote the clothes, artifacts, or etc. that Reebok sells, but by promoting a lifestyle and the happiness these people have when doing exercise, it makes people want to be like them and subconsciously including that clothes and artifacts that they are wearing to subsequently sell their product. I hope you enjoyed and thank you a lot for watching.